Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your brand hero images using Adobe Photoshop Actions, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Import the brand hero image you want to restore by clicking on File and then Open. Once your image is open, navigate to the Actions panel. If you don't see the Actions panel, go to Window and select Actions. Now, create a new action by clicking on the Create New Action button at the bottom of the panel. Name your action something like Brand Hero Restore and click Record. Begin by adjusting the brightness levels to enhance the image. Go to Image in the top menu, then select Adjustments and choose Brightness/Contrast. Adjust the brightness slider until the detail. Next, focus on color correction. Go to Image, then Adjustments and select Hue/Saturation. Boost the saturation slightly to make the colors pop. If your image is a bit blurry, apply some sharpening. Click on Filter in the top menu, choose Sharpen, and then Unsharp Mask. Adjust the settings until the image looks crisp. Now, let's add a subtle vignette to draw attention to the center. Create a new layer, and fill it with black using the Paint Bucket tool. Go to Filter, select Lens Correction, and find the Vignette section. Adjust the amount slider to create a smooth vignette effect. Once satisfied with the adjustments, select the Actions panel again. Click on the Stop button to end the recording. Your new action is now saved and can be reused on other brand hero images. To test your action, open a different image and go back to the Actions panel. Select your Brand Hero Restore action and click the Play button. Watch as your adjustments automatically apply, restoring your new brand hero image efficiently. Review the final output and make any necessary tweaks for perfection. And that's how you can restore your brand hero images using Adobe Photoshop Actions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.